Hello students, welcome all. Welcome to KGP online classes. I know you all have enjoyed your holidays and must be waiting for further studies in science. So let's revise once again what we have studied in earlier video. In chapter number 1 we have discussed about food and digestion. In chapter 2 we have discussed about teeth and microbes. Now we are moving to chapter 4 and the name of the chapter is Clothes are Protector. Clothes are very important part of our life. They are very important need of us because we use clothes as our dress, our sofa covers, kitchen napkins, curtains, and your school bags are also made up of clothes. That's why they are very important for us. But as we know, in early ages, early humans don't have clothes. They used to wear tree leaves and animal skin on their body to protect from heat, sunlight. But because they are not protected from that all things, heat, cold, that's why they used to invent something new. And that's why the cloth was invented. And the clothes satisfy our various needs. So the needs of clothes are look smart. First point is look smart. Whenever someone is wearing clothes, they look smart. Just imagine someone from early ages that they are wearing tree leaves and animal skin. Does they look smart? No, we look smart in clothes. Secondly, clothes protect us from heat, cold, dust and insect. Whenever we are wearing clothes in summer season, you can think that if any part of your body does not have clothes, so that part will be tan or become darker due to sunlight. That's why the area in which the cloth is present, they have the lighter skin part. That's why the cloth help us to protect from heat. Whenever we are wearing woolen clothes, we get protected from cold, and that's why clothes also help us to protect from cold. Then dust. If you are wearing clothes, the part which is covered with clothes, they are not affected by dust, and the part in which clothes are not present, that must be affected by dust. Then insects. Whenever you are wearing clothes, the insects like ant or mosquito does not bite here. They always bite somewhere in your body part where clothes are not present. That's why the clothes also protect us from insects. Thirdly, clothes help us to identify the job. Whenever you see someone is wearing white clothes, you identify them as a doctor. If someone is wearing khaki clothes, so you just identify, yes, they are someone from policeman or policewoman. Same, if someone is wearing sari, you can recognize as, yes, they can be a teacher. So why we need clothes? हमें clothes की जरूरत क्यों पड़ रही है? To look smart and beautiful. हम लोग beautiful दिखना है, सुंदर सुंदर दिखना है. That's why we wear clothes. पहले के जमाने में क्या होता? वो लोग ट्री लीव्स पहनते थे, एनिमल की खाल पहनते थे, तो वो लोग कैसे लगते थे? और हम लोग देखो पूरे कपड़े पहनते हैं. We look smart. Secondly, हम लोग को जब हम we are wearing clothes, हम लोग हीट से बचते हैं. सन की जो हीट होती है गर्मी से बचते हैं. सर्दियों में ठंड से बचते हैं जब हम वुलन क्लोथ्स पहन रहे हैं. एंड इंसेक्ट बाइट, डस्ट से बचते हैं, मिट्टी से बचते हैं. जहां जहां क्लोथ्स पहनते हैं वहां तो मिट्टी नहीं जमती है, और जहां पर नहीं, हम लोग पाम में हमेशा नहीं पहनते हैं ना, तो यहाँ मिट्टी आ जाती है. देन आइडेंटिफाई जॉब्स. आइडेंटिफाई जॉब्स मीन्स जब हम लोग किसी लोगों को देखते हैं जो व्हाइट क्लॉथ पहना हुआ है, तो मतलब वो डॉक्टर है. इससे हमें पता चलता है कि उनकी जॉब क्या है. So in this way, clothes are very important part of our life and they satisfy our various needs. So we understand that clothes are very important part of our life. But in a whole season or whole year, do we have same seasons? No. We have different types of seasons in the whole year. So we have summer season, we have rainy season, we have winter season. So we have to wear different types of clothes according to these seasons. In summer season, we have to wear light color clothes and cotton clothes especially. So I have an example. come on your body, it just absorb all the things, all the sweat, and it dries very easily. And that's why we have to wear something like kurta, frocks, cotton frocks like this in summer season. Moving next, we come to the rainy season where all there is rain. Now you know rains are started. So whenever you're going out, then you have to wear something which does not absorb water or which are waterproof. So we usually wear raincoats or rain jackets so that the water does not enter inside your body and you will not get wet. Moving ahead, we are coming to the third season, that is winter season. Winter season in which the weather is very cold, and that's why you need warmness. So what you have to wear woolen clothes like the sweaters, jackets and caps, so that they give warmth to you and you feel warmness. Yes, students, and this way we have discussed 3 seasons. In summer season we have to wear the light color clothes, rainy season we have to wear raincoats, and in winter season we have to wear woolen clothes so that we feel warm. So this much for this video, students. Let's revise what we have discussed in this video. First of all, we have discussed that the clothes are very important part of our life. And why do we need clothes? We need clothes because to look smart. Secondly, to protect from heat, cold, dust and insects. And thirdly, to identify job. Whenever we see a khaki clothes wearing person, we identify them as they are postman or the policeman. Secondly, we have discussed about the clothes we wear in different seasons. In summer season, we used to wear cotton clothes like kurta, frocks and shirts. In rainy season, we used to wear waterproof clothes like jackets, raincoats. And in winter season, we used to wear woolen clothes which give warmth to us, and sweater, for example, sweater and jackets and cap. So students, revise these all concepts through your book and try to find out some more concept on it. Thank you.